Hi, today I'm going to introduce our project, TeleEducation. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the remote education is experienced by almost every student and teacher. It's difficult for the professor to analyze students' reaction from the tiny video galleries while teaching, and also it's hard for them to focus both on the teaching content as well as the students' reactions. Our project used the facial recognition techniques to aggregate the students' emotion and reactions into an intuitive and easy-to-use interface. Here is our neat homepage. First, you need to sign up. You need to have a strong password here. You might have your privacy data concerns. Your website will collect your still image from your web camera for every 3 seconds and send the encoded snapshot to Azure Face API. The Azure Face API data will send to our backend, and our model will classify your emotion based on the face and head pose attributes. However, we won't store any of your personal information like your video or the snapshot on our server. There are 2 web pages here. If you're a student, you can go to the student page. In this page, your browser will collect your face attributes, and our backend will identify your current status based on the face attributions back from the Azure API. If you are a lecturer, you can go to the lecture webpage. You can see the summary of the student status. There are 2 graphs here. The first graph, you can see the number of students in different types of emotions. There are 2 types of emotions: neutral, happy, confused, and distracted. You also can see the student's name if there's any confused students. The second graph is the history data for the different types of emotions. This will help improve your teaching experience. You want the student status webpage always on the top of the other webpage. So we can use the Helium to have a floating browser. For example, you can open the Helium and go to the lecture webpage. So you can have a wonderful floating window here, always on the top of the other windows. And also we have the compact view to save more space for your teaching content. Alright, thank you. Here is all the content